It is a good time to be here with you again this week, sharing a few moments with you, distinct people. For the past 3 weeks now, we have been talking on character. In volume 1, I started and stated there that the character you refuse to cater for will alter the career you timely cater for. I also talked on how pressure and commitment can reveal the true character of a person. In volume 2, I continue to give out some details about the character of a person when I said good character is an asset that gives you an access to achieving greater height of success in life. It never stopped there. In volume 3, I said the character you fail to work on will definitely fail you even when the work finally show up. I have heard so many people saying in the past that I have the intention to show a good character towards the other person, but the way the other person behaves and reacts to me made me switch and compromise my good character. And I said something. It can happen at times. It is a normal thing that can happen, maybe due to the expectation from the other person. See, the truth is that people can at any time, at any day, at any point come up with different forms of character. And when you try to show them your own good character, some take it for granted, and even at times some makes you look as if you are too full of yourself. Have you ever experienced that? Have you ever experienced that, distinct people? I found out not quite long that good character is beyond the physical art and reaction of a person. It is completely a factor driven by the mindset. It is from the mind. It is an operation that is orchestrated from the mind, because whatever you predominate your mindset with determines your performance and your actions per time, anytime, any day. So what is going on in your mind? What predominates your mindset right now about that particular thing, about that particular person? Hear this, distinct people. For me, a good character shouldn't be part of you. It can only put your life in a further risk, because when situation arises and reveals your true character, it puts your reputation and identity in complete risk. So why will you live your life to chance and challenges that arises as a result of unacceptable character, when you can avail yourself a very good chance to inculcate and develop a good character, an acceptable character, which is the only way to promote and enhance your progress in life? Don't wait until life begins to get back at you. Don't wait until life begins to play games at you. Distinct people, good character is like a ladder that takes you further and further into a better future and keeps you relevant in the procedure that gives your life a stability even in the future. Good character explains and defines so many things about you. That is, you are accountable, adaptable, admirable, available, believable, creditable, equable, equitable, stable, predictable, promotable, reliable, reputable, suitable, trustable. Believe me, I can go on and on telling you about what constitutes good character in the life of a person. Good character is a virtue that you need in your life daily to move forward, to progress to any height you want to get to in your life, because good character is what makes you stand able and acceptable in this indisputable competitive world of ours. As you go this week, distant people, say this to yourself daily: I'm in control of my character. My character do not control me. I understand what it takes now to have a good character, and that is what I'm going to stick with. Remember, a belief in yourself makes you live in the reality of yourself.